It's Clay McKinney, developer on OnRamp, Introduction to HTML, talking about web graphics, and we've talked about the image tag and the source attribute. There's another attribute that's also required that I haven't talked about yet, and I want to show you that using the W3C markup validation service. And here's the page that we typed in: image sources, images, Clay headshot, and it's throwing an error. And it says that an image element, an IMG element, must have an alt attribute, except under certain conditions. For details, consult guidance providing text alternatives for images. So the alt tag is for text alternatives to images, and it's very important. It's important for accessibility, for the blind. Blind people would like to have the pictures described to them. It's also important for search engines, because the images on your website are important and the search engines need to know what they are. And so it's required. They want that alt tag. So let's go add that alt tag. It's real easy to do. And I'm just going to say alt equals headshot of Clay McKinney. Alright, so it's super easy to do, and it makes your HTML valid, and it makes your site more accessible, and it's friendlier to search engines and blind people and everything. So now we've got green. Good deal. Thanks.